What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing. The camera that I got is the Sony E10. You guys, I have been wanting this camera for so long and I finally got it. So let's unbox it. Okay, you guys, here is the camera. Look at it. It is beautiful. I did vlog on this camera, and I will be posting the video after this one is up. I still do have to play around with the settings of this camera, so the first video that I recorded might not be up to par, but in the upcoming videos, it will be amazing. But I hope you guys like this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.